Let's go over the fundamentals of Shopify POS Lite. As a store owner, you must have a point of sale system that satisfies your requirements. With so many alternatives available, it might be tough to determine which one is best for you. We'll introduce you to Shopify POS Lite and discuss its essential features in this short video. By the conclusion, you'll have a better understanding of whether Shopify POS Lite is a suitable fit for your company. What is Shopify Point of Sale Lite? Shopify POS Lite is a point of sale system in the cloud aimed for small businesses. It is simple to use and can be set up in a matter of minutes. You can sell products in store, online, and on the go with Shopify Point of Sale Lite. Furthermore, all of your sales and inventory are synced across all platforms, ensuring that you are constantly up to date, no matter where you are. Contact an expert using the link below to get all of your questions answered. Let's take a deeper look at some of Shopify Point of Sale Lite's important features. Cloud computing software. Shopify POS Lite is cloud-based, so you can access it from any device with an internet connection. This makes it convenient to use while in your shop or on the run. Simple installation. Shopify Point of Sale Lite is intended to be simple to install and use. Without any prior experience, you may be up and operating in minutes. Sell anywhere. You can sell products in store, online, and on the go with Shopify POS Lite. This makes it simple to sell to customers regardless of where they are. Inventory management. Your sales and inventory are synced across all platforms, allowing you to stay up to date no matter where you are. This makes it simple to manage your inventory and ensure that you always have the products that your consumers desire on hand. Affordable. Shopify POS Lite is a low-cost option for small enterprises. Overall, Shopify Point of Sale Lite is an excellent choice for small businesses seeking an economical and simple-to-use POS solution. It's cloud-based software, so you can access it from anywhere, and its inventory management tools make it simple to keep track of your merchandise. So, if you're looking for a new point-of-sale system for your company, look at Shopify POS Lite. Use the link below to contact an expert and schedule a free personal presentation.